Docs to Slides is a free add-on sponsored by Schoolytics to take your Google Docs and turn them into Google Slides super easy. Now you're going to find this under the add-ons menu. It is an add-on for Google Docs, so make sure that you are in any Google Doc from your Google Drive, and you're going to go to the add-ons menu where you'll be able to go to Get Add-ons. So from Google Docs in the add-ons menu, you choose Get Add-ons. Once you get the add-ons, you're going to be able to search for Doc to Slides by Schoolytics. This collects no user data, no PII, none. Collects no user data, so this is safe to use. You're going to do Doc to Slides by Schoolytics, and this is going to be in your add-ons menu all of the time. So when you open up any Google Doc, here you go, add-ons menu, Doc to Slides. Okay, now I just like to real quickly come over here and show you, go to Schoolytics. This add-on is provided for free by Schoolytics. It is free for teachers to use Schoolytics. This is not required to use Docs to Slides, but you can just do a real quick and easy login and see if your students are completing work and all kinds of lovely data about your student work completion and student engagement. So back to the Google Doc, you don't need to go to Schoolytics at all. You can go to the add-ons menu, Doc to Slides, and show the sidebar. So you want to show sidebar, and just come down here. You'll see that it says for Doc to Slides that you can create slides. So first we're going to need some information here in my Google Doc. So this is my Google Doc. I am putting some text in my Google Doc. I am doing a lesson on the quadratic formula. You will want to derive it with the by completing the square. Whatever you are teaching and you want to make some Google Slides, it's going to be faster to just put your ideas and put your notes right into Google Docs. So I'm going to click here, Create Google Slides over here on the side. So first I put in some text, and then I just create Google Slides, and just like magic, super quick and easy, it's just going to open up a Google Slides, and you can see that this is my Google Doc. I put some text in the Google Doc. Here's my lesson and my notes, and it just creates those for me automatically, quick and easy. Now, what if you wanted to use a list of your student names? So here's my roster that I have pasted into this Google Doc. So what I can do is I can create Google Slides, and it's going to, just like magic, create a brand new Google Slides. Here we go. For each student. Now check that out. It just assigns them each a slide, super fun and easy. Whatever you have, it's controlled by having the Enter key. Now, what if you just wanted to assign a slide? You can see this puts each student's name right in the center. If you wanted to assign a slide to each student, choose this second option, Assign a Slide. I'm just going to make a blank Google Slides. Quick and easy. Watch this. And this is going to put the students' names right down here in the bottom corner of the Google Slides. This is going to save you a ton of time. So you can put student names or anything. It doesn't matter what the text is. It's just going to make a Google Slides for you really quick and easy. You can also have it go to the speaker notes. So let's go ahead and create speaker notes. And so instead of putting it on the slide, you can see down here at the bottom, it is putting the names into the speaker notes. So whatever notes you had in the Google Doc, every paragraph would create a new slide where it goes down into the speaker notes. Now, what if you already have a Google Slides? So I have this Google Slides that I've already made. You see I'm giving a presentation about Schoolytics where I can get all of this great information as an administrator as to work assignment completion and groups of students and all kinds of great things. I can get progress reports and I can send missing assignments reports to students. It's a great tool, but I want to be able to add on to this Google Slides that I already have. So I'm just going to copy the link up here at the top, And back in my Google Doc, I'm just going to paste that link to the Google Slides here in the box. So instead of, you see what we had before, is it create a blank Google Doc a blank Google Slides for each item on the Google Doc, but I want to put it into this particular Google Slides instead of a blank Google Slides. So now I'm going to create Google Slides, and you'll see it's now opening it. This is the Google Slides that I had already made. This isn't a fresh, brand new one, which was the default. This is actually my presentation on Schoolytics, but now you'll see that I have a slide for each student in this Google Slides. It created for each paragraph that I have right in the same slides. Let's change what these say. This is my next thing to say on student engagement. Enter, enter. This is another paragraph. Help students know what they can be challenged with. We can give some students some challenges, all kinds of different things, reasons to find student engagement. I'm going to click create Google Slides again. And again, because I had the link to those slides, it's going to add into this exact same one. Now let's scroll all the way down. I have all those student names still. And then these are the ones that I just made, that it is adding more slides to this particular Google Slides based on whatever is in my Google Doc. And you'll see that I had a space. I have extra returns. Those get skipped so that it did not make a blank slide. But each paragraph is created into its own slide, either into a blank Google Slides by default or into a Google Slides that you already have. It will append or put them on to the bottom. So we're just going to use the add-ons menu, doc to slides, and you can show sidebar and use this for free anytime.